brand new project and I'm running Godot 4.2.1, but this should work on any version of Godot. The first thing you're going to want to do is download Steamworks.net, which you can do by going to the following GitHub under releases. We're going for the standalone one. Just download that. So once you download that, just bring it into your project. It should look like something like this. I'm going to rename this for simplicity's sake and just name it Steamworks, because it's going to make it easier in the long run. Next thing we're going to want to do is hook up C# so it knows that we have Steamworks. So I'm going to have to make a quick starting area. So we got working. Next you're going to want to do is go to Project, Tools, C# and create a C# solution. And then we're going to create a folder. We're going to name it always, doesn't have to be, it be wherever you want it to be. But in this case I'm going to be making Steamworks helper. Should be C#. We will open this. First thing we want to do is we want to go into our BNC project, and we're going to have to add in the references to all of our different Steamworks. So under property group, you'll find this in the description. This. It depends on the Windows. If we're running Windows, it writes great thing compared to if we're running Unix, which will be the Linux DLL. Okay, now that we have finished setting up Steamworks, we need to make a script actually accessing Steamworks. So using Steamworks, we're going to actually initialize the Steam API. So this is as simple as if we can Steam API on it. So if we can init, if we initialize the Steam API, then we might as well, we'll give it information we've actually done it. And if we haven't, then we obviously have an error. And we'll catch any exceptions that happen, which there will probably be. We'll just make it work. So here, that's all our for starting up Steam, and then we obviously want to handle closing Steam. Okay, so this will start Steam, fails, won't work. Well, it won't work, but it won't error out. Everything we can add is, we'll just check if Steam's running. Well, we're not going to check it, but we're just going to if, because that is a common error to do. Other than that, we can go back to Godot. Under project settings, autoload, we can assign this as an autoload. And if we run this, you may get an error. If you get this error, it's an issue to do with Godot 4 hasn't been fixed yet. So the fix to this is back in here. You're gonna have to natively join the library. So if we just add in native library dot load path dot join the add context of base directory. Then Steam API 64.0. Now, we're on. Now that we have the autoloader working, we're gonna have to actually add a specific key. So under this, we're gonna make a thing called Steam underscore app ID. In this, we need to add in our ID. So you can find your ID here. And if you don't have an ID, that's fine. You can choose the default photo. Everyone owns this. It's Space War. It's a game that doesn't really exist, but make sure it's. And as you see, Steam is running. Steam API is started. If I look on Steam, I can see that I'm playing Space War.